Everybody that I went to, retailers, PR agencies, everybody said no, but they were very explicit about it. They said Asian beauty is not aspirational in this country. And it crushed me. I felt like that girl in high school again. I had like the Asian success perm. Nobody ever asked me to prom, you know? My name is Vicky Tsai, and I'm the founder of Tatcha. One day I quit my job on Wall Street. I had lots of business school debt and a mortgage, but I just said I choose happiness. I started traveling outside of Kyoto, and what I learned on my learning journey to Japan is that geisha means art person. They're revered performers. I started studying with them, and I also started asking them naturally about their beauty because they're so beautiful. And then at the same time, the things that I was learning from them about a simpler, more beautiful, more intentional approach to life was also healing my spirit. So I created Tatcha to share the experiences. It was pretty hard the first few years. I sold my engagement ring and my car and my furniture, and I worked 4 jobs. Sephora was actually the only retailer who, from the beginning, said, I believe in you, I believe in this, and I want to support this. As a brand, to be able to work with a partner like Sephora to deliver a message of making everybody feel that they can belong to something beautiful, that is something that we believe in our bones. My family is from Taiwan, and I grew up in the US. And then right before I turned 14, I moved to Texas, and I did not fit the mold at all. You know, the blonde hair, cheerleader, blue-eyed thing. It was the first time that I felt ashamed of how I looked, because I thought that I was so unacceptably unattractive. And I never saw anybody that looked like me in magazines or in TV. I still don't see people that look like me leading companies. I'm one of the very few Asian American female CEOs that I know about. And it can be very damaging if I don't see myself in books. I'm not in the media, I'm not in the windows, I'm not in advertising, then I don't exist. Discrimination against Asian Americans is something that I've grown up with. It's just something that you know is a part of your history here. It's easy to buy into stereotypes and not see someone else as a full human. But everybody deserves to feel beautiful in their skin. It's okay to celebrate every shade of beautiful, every age of beautiful, because everybody has a story, and your skin tells the story of your life.